What is up, guys? So I am gonna go take the car out for a drive. I have to go to the store and pick up some stuff. So perfect time to take you guys along with now that I'm feeling enthusiastic about this filming stuff. So better get it while I can or while I want to. So I'm gonna strap you guys into my GoPro mount in the car, and then we'll go drive around a little bit. Turn the fan off, turn my lights off, open the hood. All right, so we are back. As you guys can see, went for a drive, got the car back pulled into the garage. We are gonna charge it up, get this all plugged in and call it a night. So, peace.